Hi, today I'm going to show you how to track scroll depth for GA4. Okay, first we need Google Tag Manager and a website. This is my demo website and this is my tag manager. Okay, first we have to enable some built-in variables scroll related. Go to the built-in variables section and enable them. Okay, enable. Now create a trigger. This is scroll depth trigger. You click on the vertical because most of website is vertical, not horizontal. Okay, set percentage 10%, 25%, 50%, 75%, 90%, and 100%. Okay, name the trigger scroll depth trigger. Okay, save. Now create a tag. It's tag, new tag. Okay, tag GF4 tag. It's okay. I have created a constant variable for GF4 measurement ID. Then scroll depth, we need to send a parameter percent scrolled. Okay, remember the we have enabled variable is scroll depth threshold. Okay, now set the trigger, this scroll depth trigger. Okay, now name the trigger tag GF4 SCR depth tag. Okay, save. Now preview. We go to preview. It's connecting. It's connecting. Okay, okay, okay. Now, yeah, this is fired and check the variables. This is for 100%. This for 90%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and 10%. Okay, but remember, when you set the scroll depth, you must off the scroll depth from GF4. Okay, it's automated. When you scroll 90%, it will be track once again. Okay, so we have to stop this scroll from GF4 and save. Okay, thank you.